Inheritance and method overriding. Inheritance and method overriding are the two main concepts of OOPS. In our last tutorial, we saw the general definition of inheritance, so it's not a new topic, right? Let's discuss it briefly. Inheritance. As we discussed in our previous lesson, inheritance is one way of creating a new class from an existing class. The new class is called the derived class or the child class, whereas the existing class is called the parent class or the base class. The derived class inherits or shares the properties or methods of the parent class. Extends is the key word which is used in the class definition of the derived class. Say, for example, customer is the parent class and discount customer is the derived class. Then the class definition of the discount customer would be like this. I hope you understand this. Good. In inheritance itself, we have different types like single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and so on. If you're not new to programming, you will have come to know about these things, but PHP supports only single inheritance. So let's see what is single inheritance. One parent class with one child class is called single inheritance. Let's discuss this with an example. In this class, person is the base class, and this class customer is the derived class. See how we have defined the derived class with the extends keyword. This derived class has its own properties and methods. In addition to that, it also has an access to parent class methods and properties. See here, this method getName is the parent class method, but we used it here in the child class. Still, it works. Let's check it out. Welcome. It works. Fine. This is the actual purpose of inheritance, and I hope you understand it. Now let's see what method overriding is. Method overriding. If the method in the base class is redefined with the same name, same signature, and same access specifier in the derived class, then it is called method overriding. The main purpose of this concept is to add some functionality to the existing function. Let's see one example. Here we have a method called calculateAge in both these classes, with the same name, signature, and everything, right? Here we have created a separate object for both these classes, and here we called our functions. So let's see what happens. I expect something from you. I expect something more from you. I hope you understand this concept. Now, let's talk about polymorphism and other important OOPS concepts in our next tutorial.